How to connect JBL Summit Series Makalu to any device. Bluetooth guide. Note: the JBL Makalu doesn't have built-in Bluetooth. You need an amplifier or receiver with Bluetooth to make it work. Step 1. Get a Bluetooth amplifier or receiver. You need a sound system, like an amplifier or home theater receiver, that supports Bluetooth. Step 2. Connect the Makalu speakers to the amplifier. Use speaker wires to connect the JBL Makalu speakers to the speaker outputs on the amplifier. Step 3. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone or device. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or computer. Step 4. Pair with the amplifier. Find your amplifier's name in the Bluetooth list and tap it to connect. Step 5. Play music. Now anything you play on your device will play through the Makalu speakers via the amplifier.